everybody. Yes, I know I've been kind of lacking off on uploading videos. I've been so busy lately, and I wanted to share with you this lovely plant. It's a hibiscus. This is a, I don't know if the color will show the right color on the camera, but it's like a pinkish color, and outside is whitish, creamish. It's just beautiful. The flowers just opened today, so wide they open. I still have I have lots more blooms, and these two have opened so beautifully, although I lost one and I put it in there. Yeah, it broke off. Anyways, this is another haul which I wanted to share with you. I did it again. This is like mixed with perennial and indoor plants. This is an indoor one because it will not survive here in Ontario in the freezing cold. And this is another indoor, which is the Jasmine Sambac. And I got the Jasmine Sambac because of its beautiful aroma flowers. It has a beautiful scent, and I always wanted to get one. And I ordered it in my garden center, which is closer to me. And yes, they let me know that it arrived, so I went right away to pick it up. And so far so good. It seems to be happy. I know these could be attacked by spider mites, so I'm watching. And here's a new growth. I think I have it for a week now. Yeah, this one I have for 2 weeks, I think. I got those two, and I got the lemon verbena. Put it in the sun because it was in the shadow. And this one, I'm going to grow it indoor. I'm going to try to see if I can, because it will not survive. It's an annual, so I will see if it will survive indoors. If so, I will give you an update. And I also got the Bougainvillea. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong, but anyways, I'll write it down in the bottom. And 3 blooms already fell. This was actually happy. It was full of blooms, but I repotted. It's a very nice plant. I always wanted one, so I'm gonna try and see if I can grow it indoors. Wish me luck. I'm going to try. I will try. And I got the Jasmine Star. The flowers have a very beautiful smell. Let me see if I can turn it. There we go. So it looks like a pinwheel, actually, almost like a star, and it's really nice and smelly. It smells so good. I will see if I have some luck growing these indoors, because apparently I don't have that much luck on these kind of plants, and I'm trying to be careful that they don't get any spider mites or mealybugs, because I've been having problems with one of the plants that won't stop getting mealybugs. Yeah, and I decided to take it outside to see if the heat will kind of kill those mealybugs, but of course away from the sun. And I got a perennial here. It's a beautiful yellow flower with black linings inside, which I will write the name, and a picture beside it I will put as well. And I got a columbine. This is a dark purple. Beautiful. I love columbine. I have a red one, but why not mix colors? And I got a mulberry tree, which is a perennial, and we'll see how this one goes. And here I got Oriental Lily. Now this is dried. I should have done it earlier. The flower was so gorgeous. If I have the picture, I will attach it, and it smells so good. It's a perennial. We'll see how it survives. I got these ones, which is Stella Oro Daylily, and it's yellow. And the other one is a Tiger Daylilies. The flower is edible, so we'll see how this one will survive and how it will grow. I got more Oriental Lilies. This one is pink. The other one was kind of reddish. And I got a Peony. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Look how huge the flower has gotten. It took long for this to bloom. Last year it didn't bloom. I think it's 2 years I got this, and finally it has bloomed huge flowers. Look how huge it is. As big as my hand. And it is a perennial, so it has survived these couple years, and finally I got blooms. So this is my other columbine, which you can see the difference of color. Perennial, very light lilac color, beautiful. It has come back for me 2 years in a row. My balloon plant also came back. I was scared it didn't come back because I didn't see anything coming out. But finally it came out, and there's a little bush. It's called balloon because it turns into balloon first before it opens. And a couple weeks later, that's why they're called balloons. because they open first like a balloon, and then after they open into a nice purple flower. We got the Rose of Sharon, which has not bloomed yet, but it's a perennial. We got another perennial. Don't remember the name offhand, but I will write it down. And it already has a bud there, so we'll see. Once it opens, I'll attach the picture. This is another perennial, which I will write the name below. It's lovely, beautiful plant. And there's my geranium that keeps on coming back, and it's a very nice flower. This one, I believe, is called a hibiscus or something. It's a perennial. This one was white. Petals have come off, just one petal in each. And more perennials. That's the Oriental one, Oriental Lily. And this one I bought recently. I'm not sure the name. I will write it down. I have several geraniums here. Another geranium. There is my other red columbine, which I did have already. I just wanted to share with you the other colors. I do have another two small ones down there. I believe one is dark purple, and the other one I don't remember. I think it's white. I hope I get a bud. But some animals been eating my flowers. And of course, more geraniums. And my other carnation, it's a lovely white and red. This one already has blue. It's a daylily. And beside the hydrangeas, I planted two more plants. Oh my gosh, my memory loss. These are the heart flowers. I will put the name down. I keep on forgetting. I have a white one and I have a red one, which is looking kind of droopy. It's really hot this week. I did put water, so I hope it will get better. And this one, another perennial, which is a hydrangea. It has its little buds here. Now this one is a white and pinkish color, the flower. The other one is actually only white and it turns to green at the end. Another family of the carnation, and this flower is so nice. And I got this one, is also perennial. I will write down the name. I'm gonna tell you all that most of them did not come with tags, so whichever one that does have a tag, I will write a name under here or at the bottom. And I will ask you all for your help. Comment below, write down the minutes so I know which plant it is that you're giving me the names on. And this is a perennial, which I already had, and it looks like grass. This one is another perennial, carnation, and another Oriental Lily, and we got some of the geranium. I got another root plant. There's never enough, but I have a big one, two big ones upstairs. One is older than the other, and this one I got again. I love the root plants. And I got another rosemary. I have one already, but I love rosemary. I love the smell. And basically that's about it. Anyways, my friends, subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share the video. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.